Greetings from not so sunny Florida. I am back home for 2 weeks-ish. And we're going to be working on the bus.
We had spoken in a previous video about how we were cutting the ceiling along the rib to make it easier to get access and pop the rivets out, and this is an example of him cutting along the seam line to be able to access the rib and get those rivets popped out.
And pop goes the rivet. So we've taken off the front panel by the door, and we're just going to take a video so that we know how everything
works.
Go back together.
Okay.
Last 3 rivets on the ceiling panels. We figured out it was like 650 rivets at 6 swings per rivet, somewhere around 3,600 swings on a 3-pound sledge to take the ceiling panels down. Mamma mia.
And with that, the last rivet is out of the ceiling. This is the sound of rain. It's really coming down today. So all of the ceiling is now out. Yay! We've cut the old speaker wires that they had, and I've taken out the old radio. This is where the speaker wires terminate, but they go down the dash and down in behind there. And I haven't been able to figure out where or how they're tied together. I probably won't until I get the dash off, or at least the panel. So we're gonna head to Home Depot to get these out, and so that we can maybe close these up, weld, rivet, self-tapping screw, whatever we're gonna use, to see if we can't seal these up. And we have discovered the bus will not start with that door open, since the locking is working good. We've gotten the back 2 panels off, and we've been testing the lights and the strobes to figure out what's what. The red blinker lights are not working, so we need to figure out what's going on with those. We're not going to use them anyway, so I probably won't get too upset about it. That's pretty much it for today. We're going to head to Home Depot.